as we'd say in Jamaica, wagwan. Today we're looking at this Greenworks pressure washer. So it's a 1500 PSI premium electric pressure washer, as you can see here. So I already have the box cut open, so we're gonna look inside. So right here we have instruction manual. This is a trigger right here, Greenworks. Hose. And this is what you attach to the arm. And here we have the foam canister. So this weighs about 18 pounds. Let's move this box out of the way. Alright, there you go. And here we have the card. There's two buttons on here, one that says test, one that says reset, and there's a little leaflet on the paw card itself. If you look at the pressure washer right here, we have two nozzles. This one says 45 degree, and this one says 25 degree. So there you have it. Look at the Greenworks 1500 PSI pressure washer. So don't forget to leave a comment, like, subscribe. I'm going to put this pressure washer through its paces and see how well it does. Thank you.